Live.
Cool.
So with all the like shitstorm happening with OpenAI and Google, it just feels like the startup scene is one where smaller guys constantly try to dodge the big, you know, hailstorm from the big guys, which compelled me to go to the bar yesterday, had a drink, and rethinking about what we were doing. We're not quite effective, to be honest, but it just feeling the sort of heavy bombardment raining down on you left and right, destroying your peers. That's quite a feeling. This is the state we're in right now. This is this is my feeling after the review of OpenAI GPT-4 as well as Gemini Pro 1.5. I don't know what the version is. Apparently, they got into multimodality, a new development. So everybody's big on multimodality now. Even I had a conversation with some ByteDance, the Chinese company. They're kind of rushing into multimodality as we speak. Uh, the consequence of that is maybe there's some previously there's some integration. Hello，来了，我在直播。
She's here to crash the party.
Yeah, there. Okay, let's
在那个我们考的那个地方，请你来不来？
来，他也来。我要直播，等会儿给你讲。拜拜，拜拜。
为什么请你来？
因为他也要玩。拜拜，把门关起。Oh, okay. Multimodality, the new thing. Anyways, just my little bit of rant, like before we actually start we're doing. So last time, we kind of almost get to cooking up the UI, and we sort of restructured the front end code a little bit to properly think about the data structure. Is that right, Emily?
Yes.
All right. So this time we're gonna continue. It's been a few days, and we've been super busy, so we actually, frankly, kind of forget what we did last time. Let's just try to run this and kind of refresh our memory. Okay, so I just kind of start this. What do we have? Things are probably sort of props manager. Each child list should be unique keeper. Okay. And then after we started the front end, it should kind of trigger the back end. Let's see if actually produce something meaningful. Okay, so this kind of story just keeps going. Guys, we should check out the cave. Last time we just let it run for a while, and they got into a underwater world. I'm actually pretty fascinated by that. Oh, yeah. We should probably It's a little off topic, but there's a lot of one of these like YouTube channels where they generate little animated cartoon like telling stories. I think we're kind of close to just having our own channel and just filling it up with
For sure.
Okay. This is quite slow though. This is slower than before. I wonder what's going on with the cave. It's definitely not normal. Okay. Ever since we started using instructor.js, it's not that fast. But let's just give it. Let's just assume that we can fix this problem later. Okay, still fast enough. If people are patient enough. All right. So, we are consistently. I think we have. Okay, let me actually kill this and restart it. Every time different characters randomly pop up. What I'm interested in, though, is to take a look at the WebSocket connection and see what comes out from the WebSocket connection to see if there's a kind of stream of events that keeps coming in. I think we do have a stream of events. I just don't quite remember. Do we have? Yes, game state. This is the state update. And we also have, oh yeah, history entries. Individual histories keeps coming in. All right. So in this particular case, Guy, which is one of our characters, walked to a destination and then talked to Jeremy at the same time. This is what we want to manifest in our UI today. Okay, we got a lot going on, which is like this one last stretch to actually display it. We already had a good start. We already have this is a character talk. This is a history entries. But I think we ended with some other problem. Okay, the action here is examining the cave, and state changes is cave from idle to silent, whatever that means. Okay. That makes no sense. Cave from idle to silent. Okay. Another thing we probably need to discuss soon is that should we actually use a 2D representation instead of 3D? But that's another topic. So where do we start? Oh, yeah, let's go check out the code real quick. Props manager. Feed. So what do we have here? We have a observable and then an event subject. Is the event subject actually being... So there's an interval. Every time a new event comes in, it's going to use the switch map structure to incrementally change, like especially if it's a movement subject. Okay. And then here we got set game state, and here we actually hooked it up to the sub to stream, I think last time. And then we have a convo subject. Oh yes. And then we set the game state to conversation. But for some reason it's not working. Oh, yeah, the reason it's not working is because in here we have this overall kind of all-encompassing prop render. We call it prop render, but really it can actually render characters as well. Inside of the character, we don't have speech bubble. Oh yeah, we do have speech bubble, but speech bubble is not showing. This is the thing we got to debug right now. Okay. If a conversation comes in, in theory, and if the prop receives something called speech, it should be able to, and assuming the prop's type is a person, prop really is, item. Assuming the prop's type is a person, it should actually just pop up the speech bubble, which it isn't right now. Because speech is optional. I think, remember last time we didn't really properly pass in the speech here, if I remember correctly. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Maybe let's start examining what props are being passed on.
All right, so props comes from game state. And then game state, we have a slight problem though, because game state, I think, comes from the backend.
Right, there was a front end and back end disconnect, right?
Right. So the speech in the backend. Okay, let's examine the game state. So I think we'll have a lot more clarity. The state of the game state, where do we store the conversation? It comes from recent history. The props itself, it does have something called props, but this prop doesn't have anything speech related. We have two options. Number one, we augment the front end schema to incorporate inside a prop to incorporate the speech. That's one option. The way I see it, we have another option, which is we produce some kind of a global context in here. Okay, we produce maybe like global context state, like something along the lines of, speech by person, by person name, and then we just maintain this global state, like say guy, and Morgan. Maybe they might speak simultaneously, but if they're not speaking, just give it a none. We could have this kind of structure as well, and then we treat this as a global. I kind of feel. What do you think, Emily? This, by the way, this can be derived from all the events that keep streaming in. Like it can be derived from two sources: from the state of the game,
Right.
as well as the recent events.
Yeah, it makes sense to me overall, but the specific typing is a hello, null, just an example. I'm assuming you're gonna have array sort of.
To the level of speech bubble, like this is super UI related. I would imagine
Just
give
the
it
latest.
easy time, or if you want to combine it in any way, combine two speeches. This is purely for UI, right? For UI, you can modify your UI component to support either a string or array of string.
Yep.
But if there's any concatenation that needs to happen, it should have happened prior.
Yep, that makes sense.
So the latter, okay, opinion kind of makes sense, I guess. All right, so let's try this approach then. How about that?
Sure.
All right. So I'm gonna define this global state object in. I think this should be one level above. Oh, this is props render. Okay, we should define right here actually. So I'm going to say const speech by character, set speech by character equals to, this is going to be a record of string and string. This could be string or now. And initially it's just going to be like this. Yeah, this feels is way easier actually. Okay. And whenever, I guess in here, whenever, so convo, do we really need this convo stuff anymore? Let me think. Oh, conversation subject, subscribe. Do we need this? This is what does this do? This come update a conversation in here.
I guess because we are not changing any UI game state, we could comment it out.
Okay, I kind of realized that. Okay, what this does, this is sort of we no longer sort of periodically update the whole entire state. We try to make it incremental. I see. Yeah, let's comment out until we need it. Actually, I feel this is a little bit over engineering. So instead, convo stop. Oh yeah, why don't I just use Copilot? You know. And it should just figure it out by itself. Okay, good. No. Silly AI. Nope. Oh, I should do what is it called? Speech
Speech.
set to what?
I thought you called it set speech by.
I cannot reference it here. Like, did I define in two different places?
Hmm.
Wait, what? Oh, here. Props render, and then in here we have props manager. Okay, I should move this back. Move the props manager. Oh, this is really not props render. This is prop render. Prop render. So it's for individual rendering of the prop, but actually the speech state should be in here. All right, cool. Okay, my bad, AI. You're actually, yeah, you are a good boy. I don't know what I was talking about. Set speech character previous state. Yeah, I should be able to. Oh, okay, cool. Shouldn't I just like kind of distinguish a little bit, like say if event dot sub.
Why is it subject and content?
Why subject and content?
Right, where did you do the transformation to convert recent history message into content?
I think wherever I kind of transform this, let me see where I did this. Like next in here.
Okay.
Yeah, I was kind of doing the sort of like a piping thing.
Okay.
Which is probably not very RxJXy, but no. Okay, so when we get here, we can simply say, I'm going to do the spread, okay? Oh, thank you. You see, that's all.
Nice.
String, no, it's not. No, string undefined.
Just change your null to undefined.
I hate no undefined. This should do. Okay.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Magic.
We actually already achieved that like about like 2 months ago, 2 months ago, but like just so good to see it back. Maybe we can find some clues there. Okay. But it's incredibly slow. Like, guys, I don't know if this is a good idea. Can we just turn back? Cool. Oh, this is really slow.
Is it still talking?
Yeah, it's still on. Yeah, it's mostly because of the we're using that. Hey Jeremy, have you guys ever seen a cave like this before? Okay. Yeah, I think it's mostly because we're using instructor.js.
Is it really caused by instructor or all the changes we did for Livestack?
I think last stack itself it doesn't introduce any delays.
Okay,
I don't think so.
so the whole oh, it didn't involve anything about like the child input, child output stuff we just did.
Don't think so. No.
Okay. Okay,
It,
so
it was this though last time, if I remember correctly.
I see.
So I'm gonna change this to have the to say like remove this line to have to every time I reset the state so that only one of them talk at each time. Okay, let me just kill this. Totally restart the whole thing. Oh, thank you, live titles, because our title right now is Confused and Slow Progress.
Well,
You know,
technically, it's not slow progress, it's just slow program.
yes. So keep talking about slow. You don't have to be dishonest, AI. Alien planet, a group of astronauts went to a jungle and find a mysterious cave. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, this is really slow. This is really slow.
Uh,
Hey, Jeremy, have you seen this cave? It looks weird. Like prior, I remember it was a lot faster.
right.
So yeah, we gotta fix this.
Is it really instructor?
Hey Morgan, do you think we should check it out? Sorry?
Is it really just instructor causing the slowness?
Yeah, if I remember correctly, yes. So maybe not the instruct, we just don't use it. And
And this Llama is running on your Mac or
I believe I'm using my local Olama isn't even running. I think it's
okay,
running
okay,
my GPU's instance.
okay.
Like if you look at the actual generation speed, it's not that bad, I think. Yeah, you see, this is fast. You see that?
Hmm. Okay,
I
okay.
believe I think this part wasn't using instructor.
Hmm.
Yeah, we still gotta make it work. We need to find a way back to the ship. All right. Good. Next, let's move on to get the things to move about. How's that?
Cool.
So to build on the success of what we just did, let me check if I think we already have some kind of incremental thing going on here. Positions. So should we also decouple? That's my question. Should we also decouple second state props? Props has something called current position. Okay, it has something called current position, but for some reason things are not moving.
Did you
Right.
so
I know what you're. So yes, I don't think in here it's even kind of honoring. There's nothing that was being processed about the current position. I think we just need to straight out implement it. Maybe it's already moving state-wise, and we just not. So if I just bring it back in here, current position, all we got to do now So where is the position? Oh, here. Never. Yeah, we don't really. Maybe we don't need to do anything. All we need to do is const current_position, current position equals prof. Maybe that works.
Might as well change your underscore lower p to upper p.
All right, but then property current position are incompatible. Oh, because sometimes can be null. All right. But I think we got to fix this because if it ever reaches this point, it's got to have a value.
Yeah, we can always do mass random if
Current position. All right. Yeah, I think when at a prop level, it should just have the value.
by the way, another small thing, I noticed your 3 vector is x something x0z. So
Right.
you're essentially using your XC coordinates. Would it be worth it to change line 57 to XC as well?
57.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. Just feels kind of weird you're assigning Y value to
Okay.
Z.
Good point. Well, in that case, then. So maybe let's just do the
Might
food.
as well, yes.
And then maybe later we can have hover, you know?
Oh,
That'd be a super.
yeah, this way we'll be able to implement jump.
Correct. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Yeah. Okay. That's a good idea. Okay. So if, let me just explicitly say, if this is current position, then I do current position. Otherwise, I just give you 0, 0. Because I don't know what to do. All right. Moment of truth. Okay.
Did you do the transformation from 2 coordinate to 3 coordinates? Like the
Oh, no.
like
Yeah, you're right. You're right. X, Y, Y0, Z is actually Y. Then I can do like this.
Yep.
So I don't need this. Move, guys. Move. Or your okay. It's still generating the first action. No, it's walking to a destination. Oh, this is so. Holy cow. Okay. Wait, observable stream ended or subscribe? What's going on? Let me restart this. Okay. Just do it properly. Okay, as it's starting. Generating the first response. Wow, this is really slow.
Oh my gosh.
So guys, do you want to check out that cave? Nothing is moving. Actually, it does have a walk too. Let me check out events. Okay, let's see if the events are actually properly rendered in here. Checking from the source. First time start talking.
Wait,
What the hell? This is from a live job. This is strange. Okay, still going. Okay, never mind. So game state, history entries, character talk. Like, I think we can safely just sort of action, walk to, destination, 1-1. Okay, it does have this, but thing though is that in the front end, like it should at least try to parse the event walk to. I don't see that part. Are we missing something?
remember how you put like talk and then convert the content? Do you have similar logic for walk
I don't.
or move? Yeah.
Good. So move subject equals new move. So similarly, in here, if actions start with talk, else, please. Yes.
Move or talk, both works. Move or walk.
Action equals to move to, or yeah. Let me do that approach. Array approach. Move to, walk to. What's that? What's the other? Wrong to. That includes action, and then move subject. Next. I'm not even sure if this is necessary, like creating a new subject and whatnot. But const move. I do remember it was processing the position somewhere. Oh, here. Oh, this is strictly
This is for objects.
What is the logic here from? Okay, this is actually where it's actually extracting the event. Okay, event from state position to. Why don't we have from state and to state here? Right.
Maybe that was coming from props for the scene.
Didn't we define like from state to state?
Under current history, maybe?
History entry.
Check.
Oh, it's not. Oh, we're not. Okay. So I guess this is from event subject. So where does the event subject come from? Oh, this whole thing is. Oh, okay. This is the old one. Okay, this is not even being used, I think. Yeah, this part needs to change, or we just do something similar in here. So we do need to create a new observable and pipe it through. Oh, let me just check this. Let's change this to move subject. Conversation event. Yeah, we probably do need to create something new called move event. A lot of these might not be necessary. Okay, subject position XY. Let's just do this for now. We need to create this whole new structure here and get rid of the old one. Move subject. This becomes move event. Yeah, let me just kill this because my computer is really slow right now. All right, move event, filter event, filter events that doesn't have a position update. Okay, this part we still need, but we don't have from state to state anymore. What I have is,
We have it.
I guess at a certain point we had, but we, as far as I can see, the conversation history the history entries that are being passed on, it's just like one single thing, actions.
And it's not passing on recent histories anymore. No, sorry. I meant current. Under current, shouldn't there be props?
What do you mean cross?
So this is about like all those props positions, right?
Yeah.
So emitting recent history doesn't mean we're emitting current. Oh, it is?
No. This is a game state. Like, all we're using is history entries. If you remember.
Okay.
We might need to change that later because I don't think history entries has. Oh yeah, I think history entries might be just good enough. So we don't need two position because we always have the position, the event dot position. All right, and then interpolate. Oh, then we don't have from position. Oh my goodness. Where do we get a from position?
I feel like it might be easier if you start a complete new process. Maybe just track the latest position for now.
Track. Okay, so we can get it from the game state, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just do that. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Done. I think we're done.
Cool.
So this kind of has the incremental. So how was I using this? So we have a sub, say game state. Each prop set its current position. Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
I think. First time ever. Like in the next steps though, because we're on the open source realm, we don't want to just like sort of get built like by the huge gigantic bill from OpenAI. Oh, by the way, I got a bill like $1,000 from OpenAI just by using, I don't know, $50 tops of the thing. I think my account was somehow hacked, and I tried to contact OpenAI customer support, didn't get a response. So I'm actually disputing from my bank. Point is, the service is horrible.
Which bank are you using?
TD.
Oh.
Why?
I've heard stories about their disputing process takes long.
They told me 30 days. I have no choice but to trust them.
Okay.
All right, talk, no move. So for some reason, they decided not to move. Come on. Oh, walkthrough. Oh yeah, we had a walkthrough.
But are the destinations XY or the other system?
I thought we did all conversion and everything. Okay, let me just check the. So we do have walkthrough, but it's not executed on the UI. So we have we don't need this event subject anymore. Let's check a logic real quick. Okay, just reason through it. We have this. It's gonna start whenever there's a move subject, it's going to initiate the whole process, and towards the end, it's going to. Does this use effect actually? Oh wait, what is this? Yeah, this is not correct. So move subject takes in the form of action. Yeah, it should take in the form of that. Destination. Yeah, this is more like it.
You might have to convert it to XYZ.
No, not here.
Oh,
because the conversion happens right before it got passed into the prop.
I see.
Right. Okay. Yeah, I thought the chain of logic sound. So in here you kind of feed this thing into the destination. So whenever you have a destination, and if the action is walk to round 2, it's gonna start feeding these events into the substream. Into the move subject, which in turn should trigger this entire sequence of events and thereby updating the game state. I thought it's smart. One thing though, there's one problem, which is we'll figure out later. We probably still need from position, to be honest. But let's check if this works at all. Because there's a stale state problem where we are referencing the game state inside this use effect. I think at some point. From state comes from game state, but however, this is not game state is not listed as the dependency of use effect. We might have some kind of stale state problem.
But if you list it as the dependency, doesn't the whole use effect refresh?
Yeah, I was afraid of that. So it's better. Oh, did you see that?
Something just flashed.
No, it just ran into like a very far coordinate.
Oh
like
yeah. What happened?
It just moved to a very far place. Oh, maybe towards. Oh, Gary!
Holy cow!
Oh my god!
Spooky.
Oh, here.
Holy.
There's a guy. Okay.
Let's not go in there. It might be too spooky. Seriously?
Okay, whoever this guy is, he's okay. Oh my god.
I am very happy.
Yes, me too. Now let's just do a quick hack to. Okay, let me commit first. To kind of scale back the magnitude of the arena a little bit. Okay, because they're moving way too away.
Yeah. We should probably clamp the XY.
I think we next. Okay, now that we can see the visual, the other thing we still need to. Okay, you know what? Okay, let me just quickly scale. Okay, just divide by 5 everything. Let me just like just before I'm just gonna scale here. Okay, and this thing divides by 5. How's that?
Cool.
I'm not sure if phi is good enough. Actually. Oh wow.
Wait, now you have 4 people?
There's Guy, there's Jeremy, there's Morgan. We gotta check. Like this thing is actually extra. This is kind of outside of the NPC or whatever.
Okay.
This is sort of like you're in God mode. You're sort of observing everybody.
Okay. I wonder if you can put the initial position of those 3 guys maybe just a little bit apart.
Okay, if we do that, we gotta have to do that in the game engine level because I don't want to do the UI level.
Okay. Ooh.
Wait, what just happened? I missed it.
One of those screen thingy worked.
The alien moved.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just wait. Okay. Okay, there's one thing I want to quickly hack and display, which is if it's any object, we're not rendering it. Okay.
Ooh, like a random square-ish.
Right. Tetrahedron. Okay, let's render it with a tetrahedron. I thought I had that. I thought I had that. Else. I thought I had that logic. Render tetrahedron for now with a label for now. Okay. Then you should yeah, just do this. Thank you. Great. And then I just do what is that thing called? Text?
Did you want to do HTML or text?
Right, HTML. Okay, let's do it. Let's try this. Why life form detector? Yes, but why is life form detector at 0, 0? I don't get it. Did I pass these things properly? So precision comes from pause. Oh, yeah. I gotta change this a little because this comes from current position. I think this needs to be a little bit smarter than that, which I think I'm gonna say game state. And in the state, I'm just gonna find this. Yes. Yeah, that's what I meant. Thank you. It understands you. Does that make sense?
So it's either coming from prop or game state.
Right. Props have positions. Like, okay, if everything else fails, then you do 0.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's like I don't know, bleeding.
Maybe yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, for some reason it's still 0. Let me try to find the logic. Okay, if name and props name match. Okay. Let me check the game state real quick. X, yeah, it does. Morgan has a position, Jeremy has a position, Cave has a position, Small Rock has a position, Giant Tree has a position, Lifeform Data has a position. They all have the position, but for some reason in here it's not rendering. Let me just console log game state. Oh, is it because? Oh, this comes from the initial.
Interesting.
So I guess it never got an opportunity to get updated. For whatever reason, do we generate these life-form detector right away? Where do life-form? Okay, here, yeah. These are hard-coded. This is. They should be called props. Props is passed in here actually hard-coded. You should be able to just pick it up. So game state goes to here, and then let me check. That's set game state. Okay, game state of props.map current position equals to props dot. Oh, sorry, not current position. It should be position. Let me think. Yeah. Okay, position and current position are different. Okay, never mind. And it's kind of stupid to do this. Actually, it should just be current position dot x or props dot position. Dot x. Yeah, it should be like this. It should be prop dot position by y. Okay, let's try again. We should at a certain point factor this out because this is super confusing right now. Current position is a UI only affair, right? Current position is a UI only affair, so it shouldn't be, have this current position being shared between client and server. It just makes no sense.
Right.
We should just like do something similar to like we would do with speech and make this like a separate front end only. Oh, there you go.
Nice.
Okay, let's just try to watch this, see if it actually makes sense. One of them is gonna start moving. Oh, he went into the cave.
Holy shit.
That is wild.
I mean, it's one thing to see the text being printed out on the back end. It's a whole different experience seeing it from the front end.
All right, this guy's not moving. They gotta fix the speed issue next time.
Yeah.
Holy cow, the first time ever. I can't watch this.
I wish I can 2 times the speed though.
Right. Yeah, we gotta optimize and make it fast. Like this is our this is our this is sort of watching a play.
Yep.
What do you guys think about it? Should we check it out? Suddenly, guy's phone beeps with an unknown number. Get out now. Okay, we've got another issue because this is not reflected actually in the plot, right? Wow, this is so. This is really slow. I don't know why. Why? This is way too. Oh, never mind. Crash. Crash. The reason for the crash being here. Position must be in the object. So what is? Wait.
So it's just an empty position?
An unknown number needs a warning text message sky phone. Oh, interesting. Oh, so it deduced that text message does not have a position. This is the new set of props that comes in.
Interesting.
Oh my lord LLM, my lord LLM, why do you do this? This is fixable though. I think in the game UI, if we want to really like hackable fix, like say if there's anything that doesn't have a position, we say may under the hood, under here on the UI we have a little area.
Oh yeah.
That just okay. I want to keep watching this. So how about next time we fix the speed issue because that's gonna be bothering us.
Yeah, I think we should.
So in order to quickly fix it, I think we just don't. Number one, don't use instructor to kind of revert back. Number two, the problem though is I think without instructor, like after we got back into the old problem where the problem gets too complicated. We need to fix it.
Instructor by far gets us the best result. Maybe we can take a look at the code.
I did do a very simple thing, which is I actually simplified the prompt a little bit, and it managed to get from stage 2 to stage 3.
Okay.
Like scene 2 to scene 3. So it's not. Do you think we should check it out? Okay. Okay, just watch it for a minute. Dude, let's just chill. We don't know if it's in the cave. Say, okay. Nobody moves. This is Jeremy. It consistently walks to the cave. So what happened? So who was that? Morgan. Morgan is the bold one. That's interesting. Oh, they examining the giant tree. Okay, it was trying to examine. I don't think good idea. The size of that. Look at the size of the tree. Okay, examining the tree. How do we represent examining? Oh, maybe we could face it towards that thing.
Yeah, but then are they already examining it, or are they planning to examine it? Because they're not very close to the giant tree.
Right, but you don't have to kind of force. Okay, so if it's examining, then how about we just do a walkthrough and then examine?
Sure.
Whatever works. Holy cow! There was a gunfire or something, some source.
Your neighborhood?
I'm not sure what that was.
Do you have to check it out?
No.
I mean, that's pretty serious.
No. Oh. Okay, you gotta move a little bit. Where Jeremy wants a potential danger sparking heated debate that threatens tear the group apart. Okay. Please. You have the life form detector, you're not even using it. Come on. Pick it up. Come on. Come on. I don't think we should go there. It feels too ominous. This is not actually reflected for some reason.
Guys, are you sure this is a good idea? It looks really dangerous. Isn't
Yeah,
that?
but ladies, I don't think we should go there. It feels too ominous.
Oh,
This is reflection.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really slow. Yeah. Wait, is today some kind of holiday? Because from the distance, I hear like fireworks and all that.
It is Victoria's Day long weekend.
Never
but
mind.
That's
It's fireworks.
Okay.
There's another one.
A little bit of pre-celebration.
We think it's getting too weird. Okay. Okay, I got 4 minutes, so let's just keep playing this. As they venture deeper into the cave and whisper through the darkness, heightens tension. Morgan's 𝗍𝗲𝗁𝗍𝗁. Okay, still falters. Okay, I realize we have another bug, which is like they already changed the scene. But these things, I know exactly what the problem is, but we probably have to fix it next time.
All right.
Okay, today's session is short, but we made good progress. Just exactly 1 hour.
Awesome.
Cool. So next time, yes, we're gonna fix some issues with scene changes and just keep refining our UI. This is we finally have got into the fun part, right? Just trying to figure out a representation that sort of. Oh wait, what's going on? Okay, because we don't know where there's got to be some kind of propping here because we don't know what it is. These props are outdated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next time, make it fast and fix UI.
Cool. Awesome.
See you on
Tuesday.
Bye, everyone.
All right. Thanks, everyone.